Hey there, bike enthusiasts! Today, we're diving into the CYCLISTS 27-piece bike toolkit, your ultimate companion for keeping your bike in top shape and ready for any adventure. This comprehensive kit includes everything from pedal wrenches to repair stands, making it the perfect jump start for your bike tool collection. With essential tools like a torque wrench, chain rivet extractor, and a master link tool, you'll have everything you need for basic fixes, maintenance, and repairs. The nearly indestructible polycarbonate carrying case ensures easy storage and portability, so you're always prepared whether you're at home, work, or on the road. Compatible with most bikes, including mountain, road, BMX, and hybrid bicycles, this toolkit is a must-have for any bike mechanic. Proudly made in Taiwan, CYCLISTS has over a decade of experience in cycling accessories, ensuring top-notch quality and customer satisfaction. Get ready to tackle any bike challenge with confidence and ease. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.